Hello all, welcome back. Today I am here with a lunch recipe. I am going to prepare egg fried rice and cauliflower masala. It's a very tasty lunch recipe. It's very easy to prepare also. So first let's prepare the egg fried rice. I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice, washed it thoroughly and drained the water. Then we need to boil 3.5 cups of water, adding some salt to it and then adding the rice to this. Also adding some lime, half a piece of lime juice I'm adding. Now once the water gets boiled, we need to change the flame to low and then cook. It will take around 8 to 10 minutes to cook it completely. After 9 to 10 minutes I can see the rice is almost cooked. It is cooked about 80%. So the rest will be cooked when we are frying the rice. So now we can move it into a plate to cool it. If you want to cool it immediately, you can move it to fridge. Now let's cut the vegetables that is required for the fried rice. I have taken 5 beans and cutting it into small pieces. 1 carrot that is also cut into small pieces. 3 green chilies, 1 onion cut as small squares, and some coriander leaves. Now the vegetables are ready. Now let's cook the vegetables. Heat a pan and add ghee to it. Then add some garlic that is chopped as small slices. Turn the flame to high. After that add carrot and beans to this. Stir well. After that add the finely chopped onions into this and stir well and combine and add salt to taste. After some time add the eggs. 2 eggs I am adding to this and cook this. When it is cooked well, we need to add rice, but my pan is not big enough, so I am moving it into a bigger vessel and adding the vegetables and the rice, cooked and cooled rice to this, adding some more ghee also, and I am frying the rice as well along with the vegetables. Mix the vegetables thoroughly with the rice and combine well. Also sprinkle some pepper powder on top of the rice and mix it with the rice. Now it's almost ready. Now the rice is cooked, the fried rice is ready, and I am moving to the plate. Now let's prepare the cauliflower masala. We can prepare it in 2 ways, by frying the cauliflower and by not frying the cauliflower. I am showing the method by frying cauliflower before cooking. So for that I am first preparing the batter with some chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and some corn flour. I'm adding to the water and preparing a batter, and to this batter I'm adding the cauliflower. Always boil cauliflower pieces in turmeric and salt water and drain it before using in any of the recipe. I kept the batter to rest for 20 minutes and after that I am frying the cauliflowers. Heat a pan, add oil. When the oil is heated, add the cauliflower pieces one by one. Do a shallow fry of the cauliflower, and when it turns to a light brown color, remove it from the pan. Ensure all the sides are cooked evenly. Now removing the cauliflowers from the pan and moving to a kitchen tissue to remove the excess oil. Now let's cut the vegetables that is required for the masala. We need 2 onions cut thin, then 3 green chilies and 2 tomatoes. So the vegetables are ready. We also need some ginger and garlic also while frying. So I have heated a pan, added oil and added some ginger and garlic. Then I am adding some cumin seeds. And after that adding the onions. Saute the onion until it turns to a light brown color. Adding some curry leaves at this point. Then I am adding some salt and the green chilies are also added. Now saute all this until the onion turns to a light brown color. Now I have added the turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, pepper powder and coriander powder, and I am mixing all the masalas well. When it is mixed well, I am adding a bit of Garam masala powder. Then I am adding the tomatoes and mixing it well. Adding some more oil. Closing and cooking for 5 minutes. After that I added some more salt and then added the cauliflowers, fried cauliflowers to this mix. Combine all the ingredients well and the masala should reach the cauliflower evenly. Now close and cook for another 5 minutes. After that I am adding water. How much gravy you require, that much water you can add, and adding the coriander leaves on top of that. Now let the gravy boil, and when it boils our curry is ready. And the cauliflower masala is ready and I moved into the plate. So our easy lunch recipe, easy lunch is ready. The egg fried rice and cauliflower masala. Do try it out. Thank you for watching the video. Take care and bye bye.